And now we're across the road on the market, still at the market here by the new terminal here, and we're across the road from where we were before. And as you can see, this is dried fish. Very popular here in the Philippines. Like I said, rice and dried fish are a staple for the Filipinos, and especially those, oh geez, I don't care whether you live in the cities or out in the country or wherever. It's absolutely huge living on the islands and all the fish that are available here, and you can kind of get an idea of what the prices are here too, as they're all marked right here, and that's per kilo, and that for all the different varieties of fish. Really pretty amazing, and it's an industry all in itself, and that's so yep. I'm going to kind of move around and move up a little bit. Beth is kind of, I guess, checking different prices here and that, but you get an idea here with all the prices marked and that, with the dried fish. Wow, so much. Yep. Yeah, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody.
You'll be on the internet yet today. Just showing everybody all the dried fish. And as you can see here, the people are very friendly, and this has got to be the selfie capital of the world, so to get into a video and that and enjoy that, laughing here, sure. They really enjoy this, always. Like I said, this has got to be the cell phone and selfie capital of the whole world here. So yeah, say hello to everybody. Hello. So it's apparent that all this side, yeah, is the dried fish, and again with all the prices here and that, and it's something that, of course, coming from Central America, not completely unfamiliar with. We are all fresh fish people and really do not go in for the dried fish, and I'm telling you, a lot of them taste pretty good. We've eaten a lot of this, and of course Beth wants to buy a few kilos here, so say hi to everybody. Say yep. So they enjoy being on the internet and that, and we'll probably do this a few more times and that. But yeah, the variety and that,
Variety and quality
so
of
much.
goods is so special.
And Beth, what do they call this?
Ginamos? I don't know the name. Basta may English. Assorted fish dahil.
Yeah, this is kind of a sauce and that they make. I think as an American is detestable, but the Filipinos really love it and that, and
You love it?
oh no, bad taste. Bad taste.
Depends on how you cook.
What? Yeah. Oof. Anyhow, we'll show a little bit more up the line here and that. Everybody here and that. Yeah, pretty amazing. And that, and the amount of people that come out, you know, to the fish market and that. I guess Beth is going to try a little here and that, so yeah, you get an idea, and the amount of shoppers during the day is going to pick up tremendously and that. Like I said, this has become a major thoroughfare now. They redid the road completely, and that, coming in here from both directions, whether you're coming from Taliban, whether you're coming from Trinidad or Getafe and that, to meet on the outskirts of town here. And this is going to turn into probably a big commercial area because of it, and I'm sure it won't be long and you'll see buildings going up and everything else, and maybe probably a major undercover outdoor market here too, and that which you see in many of the communities here. I'm going to let you go again, and that hope you enjoyed the video and seeing a bit of Taliban here, seeing a bit of the vegetable market and the fish market, the dried fish market here, and that. So and this is how we live here. This is part of the Filipino culture, a part of the life that we live here. So I'll say goodbye for now. So we'll see you again soon.